forward. No problem. Okay. So now I have my first term. It's 2. So I'm going to map this out. I have 2, and then I have my second term. I don't know what it is. I'm going to need my third term. I don't know what it is. And I need my fourth term. And that one is the one that's going to make me happy and get my right answer. So now I'm going to use my rule. So whatever A of n is, that n is going to be substituted in here. Okay. So I'm looking for, and I'll just write it in, right? So I'm looking for, this is A of 2. I don't know what that is yet, but I know that I can find that number by plugging it in here. So n is 2. So I'm going to replace n with a 2. And then I know that A sub n minus 1 means my previous term. So I'm going to multiply 2 times my previous term, which is just so happens to be 2. And then I'm going to add 1. So A of 2 is now equal to, do the math, 5. So let's change this. So now let's find the third one. So n is 3. So this is going to be a 3. My previous term to my third term is 5. And I'm going to add 1. So that's 15 plus 1, or 16. To find my fourth term, A of 4, n is now 4. So I'm going to change n to 4. And then my previous term is 16. So 4 times 16, 64, plus 1, 65. I almost find it easier to say out loud, multiply the previous term by the term number and add 1, right? You say these things or you translate what's being said, it's going to be much easier to map that out. And you don't have to do all the notation. You don't have to do this part, but you do have to stay organized as to like what term you're in and get your and include your previous term. We are over time. So you're welcome to head out. I'm going to stop.